Appeal hearing concludes over quota reform. Appellate division to give verdict shortly. Earlier, Attorney General has said quota issue depends on the government's policy making decision. Appeal hearing underway seeking the cancellation of verdict order by High Court which restored quota system in public service. An appellate division bench led by Chief Justice Obaidul Hasan started the hearing at 10:24 a.m. Chief Justice said during the hearing quota issue is government's policy making decision. Earlier, Attorney General said fixing 30% in the verdict, it has room to improvise by the government. As a result, according to law, this verdict can be changed. Centering the verdict, tight security has been deployed at the High Court area. Supreme Court lawyers and its officials do not need curfew pass to enter. However, ID card is needed to enter.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।